Hello, dear friends. Today our topic is matrices. 3, 1, minus 2, 7. This is just a row of 4 elements. But we can represent this in different forms. We can write down it as an array of numbers in different ways. In the first diagram, you can see there are 4 rows and 1 column. In the second, 1 row is there and 4 columns. And in the third, 2 rows and 2 columns are there. These all are called as matrices. That is, it is a rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Now, which type of elements are there? It can be anything. Numbers, letters, or characters. This also forms matrix. Matrices is a mathematical tool that simplifies calculations. For example, there are 3 students in a class. Anu, Amit, and Ajit. Anu has 4 oranges and 3 apples. Amit has 8 oranges and 4 apples. And Ajit has 3 oranges and 7 apples. We can represent this in matrix form. That is 4, 8, 3, 3, 4, 7. Here we can observe that each row represents each of the children. That is, first row represents Anu, then Amit, and third row represents Ajit. And first column represents number of oranges and second column represents number of apples. Now, what is order of a matrix? Here, in this matrix, there are m rows and n columns. M means first for rows and then columns. These are the elements of a matrix. This is actually a general form of a matrix. A11 is the first element, then A12 up to A1J, dot, 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 up to A1N. There are n elements in the first row. Similarly, there are n elements in the second row and similarly in the mth row. So, order of a matrix is m cross n. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called as a matrix of order m cross n or simply m cross n matrix. For example, 3 root 2 4 7 minus 2 1. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. So, order of a matrix is 3 cross 2. Similarly, in this example, 1, 2 minus 1, B, 4, 6, 3, 1, 2. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. Therefore, order of a matrix is 3 cross 3. Now, how to represent general form of a matrix? So, in general, an m cross n matrix can be represented in this form. A is equal to Aij of the order m cross n, where I lies between 1 to m J lies between 1 to n, and this ij belongs to set of natural numbers. So number of elements in M cross N matrix is number of elements in the row multiplied by number of elements in a column, that is M into N. Let's take one example. First question is, what is order of a matrix? Second is number of elements. And third one is find A11, A13 and sorry A12 and A21. So first question, order. What is order of a matrix? Two rows are there and three columns. So order of a matrix must be 2 cross 3. Number of elements. So number of elements are number of elements in a row multiplied by number of elements in a column. That is 2 into 3, 6. And what is A11? A11 is the element corresponding to first row and first column. So the element corresponding to first row and first column is 1. So A11 is 1. What is A12? Element corresponding to first row and second column. So first row, second column, it is 3. Now A21, that is element corresponding to second row and first column, that is 4.